So Austin, we're driving the 2022 Jeep Rubicon Hybrid. What kind of axle does this thing have?
So this still uses the solid axle system in front and back. The hybrid system is just plumbed through the powertrain, so it leaves the original Jeep construction that we saw in the past.
Okay.
So it still has the Jeep advantage with solid axles. That's the best off-road performance, most people would agree. And so that really narrows it down to using a knuckle and ball joints, as well as a hub and other parts to make the whole suspension system work.
Mm-hmm.
So it's a typical, it has basically strut rods and a track rod, and then it has a long tie rod steering system, just like any other Jeep you would be able to work on. So that's kind of the beauty of it. It's still the simple Jeep platform, but it's just integrated with a hybrid powertrain now.
Okay. And the TTX ball joints are available for that?
Yeah, so Mevotech makes TTX, which is our top of the line ball joints for this application. There's an upper and a lower in the knuckle for each front solid axle. The ball joints see a lot of action. Every time you turn the wheel, the ball joint's working. Every time you hit a bump, the ball joint's working. And then anytime you go over any sort of terrain, the load or the weight might be put on one side or the other more than the other side, and so the ball joints are going to be under pressure in those situations as well. So they actually work to balance the straight axle and the steering knuckle, balance that relationship, because you have moving parts all around it.